You Are My Chirping Birds, a poem by Dr. V.S. Ajgaonkar. You are my chirping birds. You are going to fly away by tomorrow, each one in your own direction, into four directions of this universe, at your own speed, each to your own destination. For quite some time, you had a stay here, and you danced with ecstasy hereabout. This drying wood admired your vigor and enthusiasm, watching you with the eye of 1,000 leaves. Even though I remain rooted in one place, I observe your flights with an admiring gaze. You should fly high, very high, reach the pinnacles of glory, and then return to the nest, and I should feel fulfilled, waiting for you. The musical tunes that emanated from your throats, the magnificent flights you have taken with your powerful wings, all of these even make this deeply rooted tree to grow its branches and reach upwards to touch the skies. How much fulfilled I felt and how much happiness I received from your companionship, you may never realize. Tomorrow, you will take off with your wings to wherever the spring of your life calls you. Rightly, you will follow the call in that direction. Then there will be autumn here. This bare tree will be all alone with your going. But the wheel of the seasons will move on, and new bevies of birds will fly in. This tree will welcome the new arrivals with extended arms, at the same time remembering the sweet presence of the birds that have flown away. In the deep solitude of my heart, I hope and wish that those far-off birds will remember, somewhere, sometime, the dry wood and the time spent together.